Right. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Leslie Massey and today is the first ever episode of Mess It Up with Massey. यहाँ पे हम चीज़ें मामूली तरीके से नहीं रखने वाले हैं, कोई भी ऐसे नॉर्मल चीज़ नहीं रखने वाले. Mess It Up with Massey हम बहुत अनोखी तरीके से शो को रखने वाले हैं. We don't have a setup over here. आप देख सकते हो कोई सेटअप वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. It's going to be on Instagram live. So हमारे ये शो का मोटिव क्या है? We are just here टू इंस्पायर द यूथ. हम यहाँ पे लोगों को इंस्पायर करना है कि वो अपनी लाइफ में और भी अच्छे से चीज़ें कर सके. सो वाओ, काफ़ी मशक्क़त के बाद आज हम यहाँ पहुँच गए हैं. काफ़ी मशक्क़त करनी पड़ी एंड हियर वी आर द फर्स्ट एपिसोड ऑफ मेस इट अप विद मैसी. अब भैया टॉक शो है तो गेस्ट तो होना ही चाहिए. एम आई राइट? कमेंट्स में आप बोल सकते हो आपको जो बोलना है. द कमेंट सेक्शन इज टोटली फॉर यू. You can like the live session and you can do whatever you want. Okay? अब भाई गेस्ट भी होना चाहिए. तो हमारे जो आज के गेस्ट है कोई वो मामूली इंसान नहीं है. Well, he has done 1 English movie, 2 Marathi movies, 2 South Indian movies and more than 50 Bollywood movies. Can you believe that? 50 से ज़्यादा Bollywood movies पे उन्होंने काम किया है. Now, without any further ado, actor comedian Suresh Menon. All right, he is here.
Oh, yeah, I'm here.
So welcome to the Mess It Up with Massey.
Yeah, as usual, my net is acting up at this time, and that's been the problem that the last few attempts have been a disaster. I
Yeah, you're
Can you hear
audible.
me?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay, I'm audible. Okay, great. Now I just have to put this on.
Guys, network issue can be a barrier. It's totally fine because COVID is around. We just can't go and meet anyone around. And एक दूसरे की सेफ्टी के लिए भी बात आती है वो भी है. So that's why we are doing this talk show live on Instagram.
There's some issue with my audio. So
Am I audible to you?
You're very, very audible.
Oh, cool. So thank you so much for joining into our talk show.
My pleasure entirely.
So हाल ही में हम लोग ने देखा you got vaccinated. How was the experience? क्या चल रहा था दिमाग में जब आप जा रहे थे वैक्सीनेशन लेने?
Actually, it was a good experience because एक तो it's the second wave शुरू हो गया फिर से and everybody's nervous about it. But what I thought was कि शायद वैक्सीनेशन लगने के बाद कुछ सुपर ह्यूमन पावर्स आएंगे, ऐसा कुछ मैंने महसूस किया, सोचा कि शायद हो सकता है लाइक इट मे बी कोविड मैन बन सकता हूँ और दुनिया में थोड़ा पीस लेके आ सकता हूँ. तब दिमाग में चल रहा था. बस वैक्सीनेशन हुआ, वेरी सीमलेस प्रोसीजर आरोग्य निधि हॉस्पिटल जूहू में एंड बगैर किसी तकलीफ के, मतलब परफेक्टली फाइन, नाउ अवेटिंग द सेकंड डोज.
Oh, so you're going to take another dose, and when is it going to happen?
I think that will happen somewhere, if I'm not mistaken, it should happen after 4 weeks. 4 हफ्ते का भी गैप रखना पड़ता है, उसके बाद होगा. And I hopefully everybody gets vaccinated, सब लोग इम्यून हो जाए और कोविड महामारी से हम सब जीत जाए, फिर life will be better, I guess. Normal.
So how are you feeling right now after getting vaccinated? मतलब आपको कभी कुछ nauseous ऐसी कुछ भी feeling आ रही है या it's totally normal?
एकदम नॉर्मल, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. लोग कहते हैं कि sometimes you may feel loss of a lot of things. You may feel loss of memory, loss of eyesight, sometimes loss of hair. ऐसा बहुत कुछ हो सकता है, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
You see, अभी लाइव सेशन के बीच में यहाँ हेयर स्टाइल चेंज a little bit.
Oh God, ठीक है, करेक्ट. हाँ, this looks better. पहले से थोड़ा.
This looks even better.
Yeah.
So, sir, my first ever question: How did it all start? आपकी ये इंडस्ट्री में एंट्री कैसे हुई?
ये बहुत बार ऑलरेडी बोल चुका हूँ लास्ट टाइम, बट अभी एक साल बाद इट्स वेरी स्ट्रेंज. आई सेड फर्स्टली आई सेड यस टू यू बिकॉज यू नो लास्ट ईयर जब ये लॉकडाउन शुरू हुई थी, बहुत लोगों ने मेरे साथ इंस्टा लाइव किया था. उसमें द सेम क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड, व्हिच इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज आई वाज वर्किंग इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कॉल्ड द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया. और
ओ
वहां से एक जंप मारना इनटू दिस लाइन वाज रियली स्कैरी. बट यू नो आई वाज बिफोर दैट आई वाज वर्किंग विद अ गाय in a company called 20th Century Finance. His name was Javed, not Javed Akhtar. So, Ja- so Javed introduced me to somebody in a company called TV and Video World, where I was trying to get into space selling. And those guys introduced me to Imran Merchant, their chief editor at that time. And Imran Bhai sent me, for some strange reason, he said, "Why don't you become an actor?" And he sent me to RK Studios to Major Ashok Kaul for a film called Paramveer Chakra
ओ
in '91. And of course, I didn't get that role. वो दूसरी बात है. That started my struggle. But in 1992, I decided कि शायद, you know, that's the life that I want to lead. You know, being in what do you call एक क्या कहते हैं in filmy दुनिया, एक
या
the smell of the studio, the fragrance of the studio, and the people's vibrancy, the happiness that happens when you know you're on the sets. I'm very happy, glad and happy that I made the change. No regrets.
एक्चुअली वो इंडस्ट्री का एटमोसफियर, अगर कोई नया जन भी जाएगा वो एटमोसफियर को फील करेगा, वहां से निकलने की उसका मन ही नहीं होगा. एक वो चीज भी है इंडस्ट्री के बारे में.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं, बिकॉज एक तो आप हमेशा क्या बोलते हैं कि यू आर वेरी यू आर डूइंग समथिंग दैट यू लाइक टू डू. Most
राइट
important that youngsters remember, if you do something or work in some field that you really love, that field, there's a passion, you will feel that you never worked in your lifetime. But and your output will be superb. So always follow or pursue uh, things at which you're good at, you know,
एग्जैक्टली.
and try and master them and be good at whatever you're doing. But if you enjoy whatever you're doing, and if you go and you may see, not necessarily every time you'll get what you dreamt of. Sometimes you'll get a new job which you never dreamt of, and you're thrown into that. But slowly, if you realize that you can really make a difference to the organization, to the people around you, और उसमें आप ज़्यादा अपना दिमाग लगा के आप उसमें my God, somebody said you're not able to win any Angry Bird tournament with me. Okay, I'll catch you on that. So what happens is then you will probably you know discover a new you. So
एग्जैक्टली.
try different things, chase your dreams, follow your passion, but sometimes you may have to improvise in something that you were not prepared for, but improvise, no problem.
इम्प्रोवाइज या बिग
Yeah.
टाइम. तो सर, माय वन क्वेश्चन इज, आप जब ये इंडस्ट्री में, डेफिनेटली यू माइट हैव फेस्ड अप्स एंड डाउन्स, तो कैसे तरह के अप्स एंड डाउन्स आपने फेस किया ये इंडस्ट्री में जब आपकी एंट्री हो चुकी थी इसमें?
लॉकडाउन की बारे में बात करें आप?
नो, लाइक द टाइम व्हेन यू एंटर्ड दिस इंडस्ट्री, अर्ली स्टेज.
Early stages may see there's I don't know how to put it, you know, because anything now you say becomes a controversy. But in any field, you are a newcomer. Be it cricket,
Yeah.
be it sports, be it any job,
Commercial, yeah.
anything that is where you are gone to a new job where you're probably starting off. It is a struggle in the sense. Uh, you do not know people, you need to do something different, and will people accept you? The fear of acceptance becomes such a huge problem for you that you wonder whether you're doing the right things, whether people are observing you all the time, people are watching you. Then you feel that maybe you know, you have to change your style, you have to change the way you speak, walk, talk. This happens in all the fields, you know, and I
Exactly.
can vouch for that because I worked in different. I've been in accounting, I've been in sales, I've been in radio, I've been in films, I've been in TV serials, I've been on live shows, I've been on the stand-up circuit, and I
मतलब
see
किसी
that.
के लिए कुछ छोड़ा नहीं आपने, सब कर लिया.
वो बिकॉज एंटरटेनमेंट एक ऐसी फील्ड है जितना इसमें जो वास्टनेस है वो कोई मैच नहीं कर सकता,
सही
और
बात
जो
है.
पॉसिबिलिटीज है उसके उसमें तो आई थिंक यू कैन कीप ऑन एक्सप्लोरिंग. So that's what happened in the initial stage. There was apprehensions, there was rejection, there were negative comments, there were कुछ लोगों ने ये भी कहा कि तुम वापस केरला चले जाओ. फिर मैंने उनको समझा कि भाई मैं मुंबई का हूँ आणि मी मुंबईच्या माणूस आहे, मुंबईमध्ये राहतो, तुम्ही
अरे
जायपूर.
वाह.
So, and I see, if the thing is, you can fight
Yeah,
uh,
big time.
other people's negative comments. People may not have good things to say about other people most of the times, sadly.
Hmm.
That's how human beings are. That's what I've discovered in the long process of my lifespan. That human
Yeah,
beings are very conducive with even commenting or appreciating other people's effort.
appreciating maybe
Yeah.
exactly.
See, there's no money involved over there, but even then, no, inherently people are confused. They don't want to see somebody else growing. They don't want to see somebody else doing well in life. So they're very reluctant to encourage people.
Exactly.
But you should expect the worst and
Yeah.
do what you want to do. So you keep your mind intact. You make your mind strong, so strong that nobody can ever defeat it. And once that happens, then believe me, you will never be defeated. You will always find a way to get through all the problems and get what you want and to achieve your dreams in a very quick time.
Wow, that was beautiful. And आपका कभी ऐसा सेट पे इंसिडेंट हुआ which you can never forget? Any incident that happened on set which you can never forget in your life? कभी ऐसा हुआ है?
A lot of things happened. As an actor, you go through a lot of sensitive moments and a lot of difficult moments in life. So there are a lot of them which I can point out because it's never been a easy ride. Since what do you call? There's nobody to back me in this career. There was nobody to push me ahead. Even now I'm looking for people who can support me. So it's a bit of a struggle, or it's a bit of a uphill task. But the most memorable one would be during Fir Hera Feri, or no, during Deewane Mein Pagal. Actually, we were shooting in Dubai, and my dad was just diagnosed with an attack in Mumbai, and he was taken to the ICU in Mumbai. And I was shooting there for the climax scene, and Johnny Lever Saab was there with me, and he when we were actually out for dinner, we were just ordered some lovely Kerala food, and we were just about to enjoy it when I got this phone call from my friend, and he said, "This is a scene. Your dad has just been admitted, and he's very serious." I didn't know what to do. I just lost my mom 3 years back before that. And, at that time I just broke down in front of Johnny Bhai. And he said, immediately asked me, what the issue was. So I told him. So he said that, brother, I do not know what I can say. He's there, you're here, so many miles apart, but I can pray for him. He prayed for my dad's health that night. He took me to a corner of that restaurant, beautiful place in Arasal Khaima. Took me to the corner of a restaurant and he prayed for my dad.
Wow.
In the morning, we had a 7 o'clock shift, and all of us were ready to go to the location. It was the climax shoot, which had already started. I had taken the heroine and had kidnapped and was running away to get married to her in the film. In the film, don't get excited.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's in the film. So then I reached. Everyone was there as the reception. Akshay Kumar, Paresh Rawal, Sunil Shetty. Johnny Bhai had told everyone what had happened. So one by one they came up to me and asked me if I was okay. Sunil Shetty especially, a lot of love. He always exudes, and he put his arm around me and said, "Need anything, let me know." Then Firoz Naryadwala, the producer, also came and asked me. So I said, "Sir, I just want to make a call and then we can leave, because I don't want to put them in lurch, because so many Shahid Kapoor and all these guys over there, and imagine one main character missing in the film doesn't look good. It's a loss for the producer. They couldn't wait it out also because you're on outdoor schedules, you're spending money. The choppers were supposed to come in a sequence, so a lot of headache. So I said, I'll just call back home. So I called my brother up. He was with my dad, and he said that miraculously dad is feeling much better now. So
Wow.
don't worry. And that at that moment, dad took the phone from my brother's hand. He said he wants to talk to me, though he was very weak. And in his feeble voice at that time, he told me, "Son, if anything happens to me, you won't come back, because I don't want anyone to suffer losses because of me. And whatever it is, you finish your work, then only you come. If I pass before you arrive, your brothers are here to do everything else, but do not leave your work and come back. Do not cause losses for anyone." So that was one moment in my life which I realized what a strong and practical person my dad was. Not related to this film industry, not related to the glamour world, but he knew the apprehensions and problems that a producer would face. And he gave me such sound advice. I think if you see the climax sequence of Diwane Pagal, you'll see me jumping around the whole sequence and having lots of fun because more than anything else, it was a thing that I learned a lesson. And when my dad actually passed, when the producer, I was again in midst of a shoot, the producer said, "Sir, we can postpone your shoot." I said, "No, I won't be doing justice to my dad's attitude towards life." And
Exactly.
I went for the shoot, so I didn't hesitate.
Wow, salute to you for that.
To salute to my dad.
Exactly,
For that.
salute to you, sir.
Yeah.
Exactly, big time. One question. Who is your favorite heroine?
Ah, Madhuri Dixit for sure and Kajol.
Oh, lovely, lovely. And
They
by
are
any chance you have worked with them?
I worked with both of them, Kajol in Fana, but it was not too much of interaction with her. But I did an ad with her after so many years, 3 4 years back actually. And then Madhuri Dixit, of course, I met her during the shooting of Dil To Pagal Hai, where I was one of the characters in the film. So yeah, it was fun.
Wow. Now, who see you see there are a lot of people in this industry. Okay, a lot of factors. Again, your hairstyle is changing. Now there
Sorry.
are a lot of artists in this industry.
Hmm.
Definitely, there might be someone whom you actually want to work with. You have not worked with that person right now, but in future you definitely want to work with that artist. Who is that artist you want to work with?
Once I just lost you in between. I had worked. Sorry, you are asking. Can you repeat the question, please?
Yeah, yeah, sure. So basically, there are a lot of artists in this industry. All right. There might be an artist like you would love to work with, but you haven't worked with it, like with that person yet. Who is that artist you want to work with?
Uh, wow. There are a lot of them actually. I would really love to work with the newer lot, uh, Vikrant Masse being one of them. Uh,
You can
and
actually far relative.
really, please tell him then. And I would love to work with this newer breed of actors, and I would love to work with uh, Setupati, Vijay Setupati of Tamil Nadu. What a brilliant actor he is
Oh
turning
yeah,
out to be. And his experimentation in different kind of films has been absolutely amazing. I would love to work with him.
yeah,
And
definitely.
I've already done a film with Mohanlal, so that dream has come true. Next,
Wow.
of course, one film with Kamal Hassan, one film with Amitabh Bachchan for sure.
Wow. Definitely, I pray that day comes soon. Now, sir, my next question is, see, there might you have worked in this industry with multiple artists, okay? But there might be an artist कि मतलब देख के starstruck हो गया, अइला अमिताभ बच्चन. Ever had that experience?
It happened with Mr. Bachchan thrice when I interviewed him for a channel called ETC that I was working for. And the most starstruck moment was, of course, Haila moment for me, as I call it, was when I first met Sachin Tendulkar. That was not too
Wow.
far, 3 4 years back. And wow, I couldn't say much, but I kept on looking at him. And I wanted to say such a lot of things to him, about all his yeah, brilliant performances in cricket, about all his the great matches that he won for us, all the runs that he scored every time he became out, how depressed I used to feel, and the first time he made a century, how much of joy I felt. The first time he was in New Zealand and scored a good 80 over there. Me waking up early in the morning to listen to Test cricket commentary that time.
Wow.
Wow, man. So many things just came in my mind, but ultimately we just said hello to each other, and he said, "I know you." I was so happy to hear that,
Wow.
and I told him I hope and
You're an
pray that.
amazing artist.
No,
You're
I
an
hope I can pray. I hope I get to meet him again and talk a lot about cricket because one thing I love in my life is cricket, cricket, and cricket.
There's someone in the comment section saying, I remember Suresh ji played Sachin in Sab Kuch Ho Sakta Hai.
Yeah. I played Sachin in a lot of TV shows. A lot of people thought that I was making fun of him, but it was the other way around. When I imitate
Yeah,
people, I always feel कि इंग्लिश में वो कहावत है ना, imitation is the best form of flattery. वही है, तो
Exactly.
मुझे बड़ा मजा आता था, when I dressed up like Amitabh Bachchan, I felt I was Amitabh Bachchan. When I dressed up like Sachin Tendulkar, I felt like I was Sachin Tendulkar. In
Exactly.
fact, for a small shoot that I'd gone to Star Sports, I still remember Shoaib Akhtar bowling tennis balls at me, and I was in Sachin's get up, and I whacked the ball for a very strong shot. So he said, "अरे नकली सचिन भी मुझे strokes मार रहा है." So it was such a good thing to hear, and the respect that players all over the world has got for Sachin Tendulkar.
So there's someone in the comment section saying, "Can you imitate Sachin Tendulkar now? Can you do that? Can you
Yes,
imitate him?"
yes, definitely I can do that. It's been a very tough year so far, 2020, 2021. But don't worry, everything will be fine. Go get it.
Oh my God. That was amazing. Such an amazing mimicry artist. A few years back, I have seen your this segment of "Kaun Banega Rodpati."
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, like वो मेरे लिए big time moment है because every day I used to watch you, especially that session with Rajnikant. Oh
Oh,
God,
yeah, yeah, that was there. One second.
definitely. Yeah.
So sorry. So that was really amazing because that thing that we did with the Rajnikant Saab and Bachchan Saab in this one frame doing KBC was seamless. It was scripted, yes, but that was just one shot that went through the whole thing. It was so much of joy. The actor who played Rajnikant actual look in that sketch was uh, अपना Renji Varghese, one of my close friends, writer, very close friends with Sharib Ashmi, who's a superstar now. We all started our
Wow.
career together. So much of fun and joy. So
And
yeah,
by the way, someone wrote in comment section, please pray for speedy recovery of Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. Yeah, he's COVID positive right now, so we hope that he recovers soon.
yeah, he better recover because we all love him, and I'm sure so many prayers. So a lot of people have got it actually, sadly. Uh, and hope and pray that it's not a very serious infection, but it's
Exactly.
just a thing for everyone to bear in mind. Please take extreme precautions. Do not roam around like as if nothing is going to happen or you are immunized by the Lord Himself. That's not going to happen. So please take care.
Exactly.
And there's no harm in taking care. It's good for you, your family, and everyone. And of course, if you got a wish to meet God early, then yeah, go ahead. What can we say?
Exactly.
But then problem is not that. So sometimes
Yeah.
some people are lucky enough to pass on the spot, but some people suffer a lot. So you all want to go through the suffering or just reduce your suffering by basic precautions. Yeah, I hope everyone takes care, and that's in the most serious tone. I
Exactly.
hope nobody falls ill and they are able to
Because
fight
the
this
cases
disease.
are increasing.
Yeah, it is bound to increase because a little bit of freedom given to human beings and they misuse it. So that's what
Exactly.
has happened.
Exactly. There's this thing ना कि एक चीज को पाने के लिए लोग बहुत कोशिश करते हैं लेकिन जब वो चीज मिल जाती तो उसकी कदर नहीं करते. So that's the same thing going on right now.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's very strangely, that's uh, what do you call, people are doing all the time, and they will have to sort of become more serious and figure out for themselves that there is this ailment even after taking a vaccination. Like a lot of people are arguing कि गाड़ी में बैठा हूं तो mask क्यों पहनूं. I've
Exactly.
maintained it throughout. If I step out of my house, I wear a mask. If I'm driving my own car also, I am wearing a mask. I have not found it uncomfortable. I found it, if it's going to safeguard me, it is very comfortable for me.
And it's saving others as well. That's also one point.
Yeah, yeah.
एक ये भी चीज है. Now, to all the viewers present over here right now, अगर आपके पास कुछ question है सर से, तो the comment section is all yours. You can ask him whatever question you have. Okay, the first question: will you do a serious villain role if you have been offered with that?
I've done a serious role with the superstar from Kerala called Mohanlal. This film's name was Brahmaram. It's available on Hotstar. It was a serious role, and I was negative in that. But yeah, why not? If somebody should offer me, इसलिए तो मुंडन किया था, लेकिन कोई बुला नहीं रहा है.
Shaka. And so recently I have seen कि आप कभी नेटफ्लिक्स इंडिया के साथ कोलैबोरेट करें, व्हाट्स विद दैट?
Oh, that was a lovely, interesting collaboration with OML and all these wonderful talent that you all saw in that gag, especially Sumuki Suresh. I'm a huge fan of hers. Such a wonderful actress. And her shows are really something to look forward to. And Pushpavali, the series that she did, quite amazing. What a brilliant actor. It was. I was excited to be in a video, in the same video as Simon. My God, that guy, the new guy, is so outstandingly good in whatever he does. So it was a moment for me to uh, be a part of a video where it had all the young talent in our country that is there today. It was good fun. So it was just a collab for what do you call April Fool's Day, and don't look too much into it. I hope Netflix looks too much into it and says, okay, we need to get him to cast him somewhere.
या वी नीड मोर ऑफ यू, ऐसा आने चाहिए वो
Hello
लोग.
Hari, Hari Singh Cheta. Hello, hello Hari, Kurup Hari. क्या
ओके.
जॉब कर रहा है?
हाँ. So
कुछ
there's
लगा
this
रहा नहीं.
question. Suresh ji, what is your most expensive purchase after your house?
वो मैंने सब फाइल कर दिया रिटर्न. मैं बता नहीं सकता हूँ.
अच्छा, I
एंटी
have
लगा. सौ क्या?
now there's this thing I'm seeing a lot. When is the next Khan Masti? When is the next Khan Masti?
Yes, Kanmasti. Hopefully, we will. Hi, Mervin. You don't need backing. Thank you, Sagar. Satish Kaushik. No, no. The next Kanmasti should happen this coming Friday. Jose has been busy, so please start sending him messages. Spam his inbox and say that
Yeah, guys,
he has
spam
been
his comment
troubling.
section.
Yeah, yeah. Please do that and send him messages saying that Suresh is ready, Cyril is ready. So why are you not coming up? So.
And those of you who don't know, I had actually made a video of fight depression. So basically, in that video, more than 5 countries had contributed, and like उन लोग ने videos भेजे थे कि like how you can fight depression. तो उसमें सुरेश सर ने भी अपना वीडियो भेजा था. Like I texted him, and 1 मिनट से ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लिया, and it directly reverted, and उन्होंने मुझे वीडियो भेजा, and more than 5,000 or 6,000 people lives have changed. Sir, personally मुझे कई लोगों ने मैसेज किया कि I actually felt a lot better after watching that video. So thanks to you as well.
No, no, that's absolutely. I feel that depression is one of the major killers that can affect any one of us. It can affect the richest, the poorest, and anybody across all caste, creed, religion, sex. It can affect anyone. It's about that moment within you, within your life, what you go through and how you are able to cope up with it and fight. So I hope and pray to everybody for everybody's health, especially the mental health. That should be the first thing that should be taken care of. And there's no shame in asking for help.
Exactly.
So if you need to talk to somebody, someone, please talk to them and just get it out of your chest. Sometimes things aren't that bad. See, everyone goes through that one thought. Should we end it all? Everyone goes through that. Be it the best person that you feel is always smiling. Even I have gone through that. But it's about what you decide to do at that moment. It's like, let's stay here and enjoy. Life is so vast. There's such a lot of things to experiment. It could be most of the times the reasons are because you lose somebody whom you love. Especially when you have a breakup or something. That's the time when these things hits you a lot. But if there is a breakup, don't go into that depression. Say that somebody better is waiting for you. Most of the time, God always has this timetable saying, "Arey, oh now this person is with this person. That person should not be with this person." So that permutation combination goes on, but bottom line, there's such a lot of things that you will have to experience in life. The chirping of birds, the new releases on the OTT platforms. Let me speak your language today.
Yeah.
The new games that are going to come up. The new what do you call the new lingo that you all use, like so there's such a lot of newness to look forward to. हमारे ज़माने में एक दो साल तो रुकना पड़ता था till something new happened. Nowadays it is something something new happens almost every other day or every other hour. So enjoy it,
Exactly.
wait for it. So don't feel that you're ever going to be trapped. Most important, as much as you can, please look after your parents. They are the ones who got you into this world, and if you make it ambition to look after your parents, believe me, nothing will ever trouble you. And if you don't believe what I'm saying, let me give the examples of Amitabh Bachchan, who looked after his parents so wonderfully, even though he became such a huge star. But that respect and love that he had for his parents always remained. Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Akshay Kumar, you'll see stories of them talking about their parents and how much they loved them and missed them. And there you see a story for you all also. If you want to do anything, want success, look after your parents. Be nice to them. Talk to them. And all they're not putting their hands inside your pocket. They just want to have a chat with you. They just want to know that you're feeling good. They just want to do things that are right for you. So and there will be arguments. There will be things that don't agree with both of you all. But that time, just try and explain your way to them. They will understand. Ultimately.
Exactly. There's this one question. How was it working in Crazy 4?
Oh, I think it was wonderful because it was one of my favorite roles in Hindi films, which I really enjoyed. And, I was a hero in that film. It was
Oh
such a
yeah.
lot of fun watching my big posters coming up everywhere. It was a great feeling. It was a great
It
feeling.
was a great movie.
And Arshad Varsi was absolute joy to work with. Irfan Khan and me, my God. I'll never forget those wonderful, wonderful moments that I spent with him. The simplicity of that guy really rubbed off on me. See, we both come from a non-filmy background. There was this song that we were shooting for, and we were in Khandala Mountains, somewhere. So in the valley over there, I still remember me and Irfan Bhai were making those helicopters with the paper.
Oh
You know,
yeah.
you roll it up and there are two
Duraton. Yeah.
flaps coming out, and then you throw it down. And we are throwing it down the valley, and we were just laughing. So Arshad came out and said, "What are you guys doing? Playing around like kids?" So Irfan Bhai was so happy that somebody could understand all these small joys of life that he thought, "मुझे पता नहीं था कि तुम इतना सब सोचते हो लाइफ के बारे में." No, I love it. I've done it so many times, and that some really good memories from that film.
Yeah. And it's such a beautiful thing that he has raised his son very beautifully.
Yeah, yeah. He is. I still can see them play cricket after pack up in ND studios, so I could see them do that. It was it's an amazing, he was a really amazing person, and what a massive loss for the industry. Wherever he is, I hope he's
Yeah.
happy and, he's got that lovely smile across, I mean, with him. It's so
Yeah.
beautiful.
Such a beautiful. And the way he used to act with his eyes, oh my God.
Oh, you're effortless actor.
Effortless. Effortless. So
Thank you,
we have
Crunchy. You're so cute.
so there's a lot of
That must be for
there's
you.
the comment. Me? No, 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 you, sir. You, sir. So,
Karan,
lots of love from Dubai, UAE. Oh God, we have people from UAE as well.
hey, Cyrus Brocha is saying, hey, sir, Are, sir, Are.
Oh my God,
You,
Cyrus is here.
yeah, one of my favorite places in the world, Dubai, and I got really good friends over there. What a wonderful place it is, and I have some lovely memories of shooting movies over there, doing live shows over there, and doing radio also over there for a bit. Whenever I went there, I used to be, or doing some interview with the other. Even now, I've got great friends. I hope that once all these things wears down, I can go back
Exactly.
and find a job there.
So, आपका कभी ऐसा हुआ है लाइफ में कि
But I'll
कि
just take this question. Nitin Gokhale is asking, how many episodes of Ikkepeka were you a part of? Also, did you play Srikanth in some of them? Yes, Nitin, I did play Srikanth whenever there was. Absolutely, that was me only with a French beard, and that's what I did. Absolutely, it was wonderful. And episodes of Ikkepeka, my God, Ikkepeka total episodes of more than 700. I must have at least been in 500 of them.
Wow. Someone is saying, Cyrus, please show us Cyrus. Okay, Cyrus, are you here in the room? If you
वो
are
निकल
here,
गया
just निकल गया होगा ना?
है. Who is this? No, I have not yet gotten my share from the super chats.
अरे रे.
Suresh Varan show on their books. I hope so. Somebody puts back that show on air. Thank you so much for asking me that.
You've got big time fans, sir.
Yes, I think along with we laughed along with our fans, Jose and me, Sajid and me, Brocha and me. We had done some really fun stuff in our career. So yeah, so I guess that's
A
the result
very
of all this.
controversial question. A very
Yeah.
controversial question. Suresh, if you are in a situation where you can save only one, who would you save? Cyril or Jose?
No,
Cyril.
I would say Cyril any day because
Cyril.
because I always get through to Cyril. Jose, I have to wait till the end of the day or something like that. But jokes apart, both these guys are really wonderful. So you can never choose or select between your friends like this. They are, uh,
Exactly.
hey, thank you. I'll never stop sharing Mad Libs clips because I love Mad Libs and it's been wonderful.
Oh yeah, they're lovely. I have to say they're lovely. Your comic timing and everything, like on point, each and every line you say.
That was fun.
सर,
Yeah.
लाइफ में कभी एक ऐसा मोमेंट आया कि यू फील वेरी हेल्पलेस एंड यू सी लाइक यू माइट गेट दैट फीलिंग, अरे यार कौन मेरी सुनेगा, कौन हेल्प करेगा? एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम व्हाट डू यू डू, लाइक टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट स्टेट, व्हाट डू यू डू?
Uh, I look within myself. I try to find strength in myself and see how I can do things differently. I try and take a deep breath. Yeah, it's quite frustrating. Last year also has been quite frustrating, and with the things still not coming back to normal. But you know, rather than give up everything, that's the time when you start writing the first page of a book, which is your own
Wow.
book, your life's book, which can be called the greatest fight back ever.
Wow.
Then your mind, if you start writing that, and you will then suddenly know the answers to how you should do things, and you will uh, do well.
Wow. That's amazing, sir. Can you do an impression of Amit ji of KBC Thanjuda?
मिस्टर केबीसी, आपके
KBC.
पास कोई ऑप्शन है? ए, ये खत्म कर दो, या बी, कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है.
Wow. Like the time when I saw you, like costume and everything, you were looking superb in that, and the way you were talking, like on point था sir वो पूरा जो मैंने आपको जो वीडियो देखा.
There's a great team also. You need a great team for all that. My look has always been, my makeup has been done by this wonderful makeup artist called Arun Giri. He has some extremely amazing collection of wigs. In fact, this wig that I'm wearing right now also is, which is gifted to me, and he has got an extremely, passion for making a character look exactly the way the character is looking. And then I've got Mr. Ayub Ansari who does my costume, who is another guy who will say that this is the suit that he wore, this is how he wears it, this is the size of the belt, and he'll get the exact things in costume also. So half my battle was won by both these guys, making me look like all those characters that I played across so many shows on TV. So that's why it became so amazing and wonderful to watch.
सर आपसे बात करते करते एक चीज याद आई मुझे. सो इन 2012 आई एक्टेड इन अ मूवी कॉल्ड सिंस ऑफ द ग्रेट, एंड उसमें मैं उनको अंकल बोलता एक्चुअली, हमारे फैमिली टर्म्स में मेरे पूरे खानदान को वो जानते हैं. मेरे चाचा ताऊ सबको जानते हो, लखनऊ जाकर, आई एम बेसिकली फ्रॉम लखनऊ. सो
Okay.
मैं सिंह साहब के सेट पे था एंड आई वाज हैविंग फीवर, मेरा करीब 104 का कुछ डिग्री फीवर था मुझे, एंड बॉडी पे रैशेस आ गए. तो बेसिकली आयुर्वेदिक कुछ दवा ली थी मैंने, एंड फुल बॉडी पे रैशेस, साइड इन्फेक्शन, इसका साइड इफेक्ट हो गया था. सो
हाँ.
आई वाज स्टैंडिंग इन फीवर. हम लोग का सॉन्ग का शूट चालू था दारू बंद कल से, सनी पाजी उसमें थे, एंड हम लोग सब लोग फ्लोर पे डांस करने जा रहे थे, एंड ही सॉ दैट आई एम स्टैंडिंग क्वाइट वीक ओवर देयर, एंड ही हग्ड मी, एंड अगेन ही प्रेड फॉर मी ओवर देयर. उन्होंने मुझे हक किया एंड ही प्रेड फॉर मी.
See, yeah, he's got that strength of prayers. That's what John Lever is. Hi, Hitesh Dave sir is there, one of the most brilliantly talented guys. I've worked with him. You have seen him in a lot of ads and a lot of movies. Hi, Hitesh bhai. Uh, Charismatic Rohan Singh, Tanya, yes. So yeah, so that's the thing about Johnny Lever. You know, he can make you laugh,
Yeah,
and at the same time, he believes in goodness of life.
exactly. There's this question. So, what is difference that you found between Hindi cinema and Malayalam cinema?
Oh, vast difference. Uh, really, A, the budgets are vastly different. B, they are workaholics. Blessy Thomas is a director whom I worked with. He's already gotten two national awards, I think.
Wow.
Uh, and Blessy sir, it was only about work, so there was no the thing or time pass on the sets, you know. So everything was went like clockwork precision. Having said that, it's not that Hindi film I can compare, but you know, I used to constantly tell them, "Kabhi apne Hindi film industry mein aao." You know,
Mhm.
that because our industry has got panache, it has got glamour, it's got luxury, it has also got arty films, it has got, you know, it's a whole range that comes in. It's like a rainbow, the Hindi film industry, and that's what you are watching. So it has got different shades, different hues, different colors, different sort of people. So uh, I would like to call this whole industry as the Indian film industry. You know,
Wow, actually,
and I'm so glad to be a part of it.
the story and the content they have, oh my God.
Yeah, see, everywhere, you know, stories are told. Today, if you look at the OTT platforms, what great stories are coming up on Netflix and
Exactly.
on Amazon, on Z5. All of them are carrying these great stories, which are and great actors. New actors are cropping up. It's so much of opportunities for newcomers today in the industry. I'm so happy for that. You know.
Hmm.
अभी मुझे शायद किसी का बाप का रोल कब मिल जाएगा शायद देखना पड़ेगा कोई बात नहीं
You're
बेटा
still young, sir. आप अभी young है,
I'm very
बहुत
young.
young
I'm launching myself as a hero in the next 2 years.
हो.
This
Man, do that.
factor पर काम चल रहा है.
When is your next? Okay, there's this question. When is your next movie with Mohan Lal?
See, I think Mohanlal is slightly scared of me because I outdid him in Brahmaram. I would like to believe, but I hope so. I hope so. That's one more film is due with him for sure. So maybe see all these films are also like, you know, it comes to you according to when it has to come to you. So it will come. So you
It will
just
come.
hope for it to come, and it will come one day. I always wanted to do a film with Mohanlal. I got to do one film with Mohanlal. Now I want to do another film with Mohanlal. That will also happen.
That will happen. Sure thing. So, the people, अभी हमारे जो भी viewers है, इनमें से अगर कोई भी ये इंडस्ट्री में आना चाहता है, any tip you want to give it to them? Any tip you want to give them?
Uh, make your mind strong, make your body strong. Do not be afraid of rejections. That's going to happen even after you establish yourself as an actor in the industry. You know, the rejections will continue till your last breath of your life. And this is true for everything in what you do, even if you're not an actor. That's true. So do not
Exactly.
get affected by anything. Do not get affected by negative comments. Try and be positive. Try and be, because it's very difficult all the time, you know. And try and keep your energies up, you know. Pray to whomever you believe, to whatever you believe. Sometimes, you know, it will also help you if you pray to yourself, you know.
Exactly.
So if you do that, you will find answers within yourself. So try it. I don't know.
There's this question, sir, waiting for Bararam Ram 2 where Sivan Kutti returns to take revenge on Unni since he changed his mind.
That's a nice one. So I hope that happens. Yeah, that's a great idea. And we both playing our age. Yeah, so why not? Why not? Even I'm waiting for that. Brilliant
There's,
idea.
there's this guy, I want to be a side actor. What should I do?
My God. Just approach people for work. Yeah. What else can I say?
Exactly. So, any life lesson you want to give it to me, as well as the viewers? Any life lesson you want to give?
See, there's a lesson in what you said just now. Life lesson. It's like you learn the lesson only if you lead your life. you know.
Wow.
So in life, there is going to be a lot of lessons, and this lessons will make your life better. That's it. Now, it did sound like that, in me, is that me, in which me is not there, which is you, that is me. So don't get confused. But basically, make it simple, lead it simple, make it
Yes.
simpler, have big dreams, chase it quietly, and lead a life that you want.
Exactly.
Do not harm others. That's it.
Yeah, sure. All right. So now we are coming towards the end of the session. बस एक चीज आपसे like a request to you. You have a very iconic laugh. Can you do that?
Thank you so much. Wow. I knew that was coming somewhere. Yeah.
So thank you so much for joining in, and
Thank
it was a pleasure to have you amongst us. And yeah, hope to see you soon. Another, if there would be another episode of this. And can you ask the people to follow me on like on Instagram so that I can actually give them more episode like this.
Yeah, yeah. Please follow Leslie Massey because I said yes to him because of that request that he sent me last year, of trying to help people across the globe with their issues of depression, especially. So that's what struck about me. About this young guy was trying to rope in people from across the globe, and that's the way it's going to be. The world has shrunk because of internet. So use it to good effect. Follow this boy and give him some love.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. So sweet of you. You're the sweetest celebrity I've ever met. I have to say that.
And don't tell me afterwards that's the only celebrity you met also.
और भी गेस्ट आने वाले हैं.
Just kidding.
But you're very sweet. Thank you so much, sir, for joining me.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Leslie,
God
take care.
bless you. You too,
Yes,
sir.
bye. Yeah,
Bye.
bye.